Hello, I'm Bob. I'm going to be doing turn 3, for the British and the French in Operation Husky. We'll start with the tech rolls. Once again, going for radar and anti-submarine warfare at hit on a 7 or more. And that is a hit for both, so they'll advance 1. And then to the buys, the United Kingdom is buying a fighter and a militia. The FEC is getting a militia and a Gurkha, and the Anzac are just getting an infantry and saving 1. No combat moves. Actually, I think this is considered technically a combat move, but this British destroyer will be moving to this space. And go on escort duty. And that's it for combat moves, and then on to non-combat. We have, let's see, nothing here. Actually, I think I'll put this medium bomber here in London. And then these boats will move from M8 to M4. Actually, I think that that submarine that was in this group here, instead of going there, we'll go 1, 2, 3. Everything's staying the same here except for this transport, which will go 1, 2, 3, 4 to Gibraltar. And this light carrier here, depending on where to move it, I guess we'll just keep it there for now. He does have a few subs though that he could hit me with if I'm not careful. So maybe I'll just put this with the rest of the fleet here in the first fleet for now. That's it in Africa, and then over here in the Pacific, we have this transport picking up this infantry and going 1, 2, 3, dropping him off in Calcutta. This Anzac transport coming from the port in Malaya will go 1, 2, pick up the AA and the infantry from southern India and move back 1. So that should be 1, 2, 3. And they'll drop these 2 guys off into Malaya. And don't believe there's a port on this sea zone that I could use, so it will not go into port. This one, however, will be going into port. These boats here, light cruiser, will go into port. Destroyer will move 1, 2, 3 into sea zone I-14, and just do a quick glance over here. I don't think there's anything else. think I'll move this militia down one here. No, we'll keep him there. But other than that, I think that's it for the British. United Kingdom will collect 13. FEC will collect 5. And the Anzac will collect 3. These guys will go up to 13. 5. And they'll collect 3 to end at 4. We'll place these. This fighter will go in Cape Town. Militia in Egypt. FEC guys. Militia in Calcutta. And Gurkha here. I believe I can put it there because it borders the Himalayas. If I'm wrong, then I'll just put it in Bengal. And the Anzac infantry will go in Sydney. For the French, they will do their tech roll first. Since we got as far as we can with long-range aircraft, I guess I'll just go for... We'll go with advanced mechanized infantry. Yeah, we'll do that. They missed that. Alright. For their buy, they'll be completing their fortification in Paris and buying a militia for a total of 7. That's all of their money. Got a few moves. Got this transport picking up these 2 guys and going 1, 2, 3. Actually, 1, 2, 3. Going into port in northern Algeria, landing here. Don't believe they can reach France anyway. 2, 3. No, it cannot. I don't think they even have any strategic naval movement. I was looking on their thing here, and I didn't see any. If I'm wrong about... Oh, actually it does have a strategic naval move, but it only is 2, so I wouldn't be able to take all 3 of those, or both of those infantry anyway, so we'll just move them to northern Algeria and go into port there. The French destroyer here will be going on to escort duty in A-19. And I think that's it for the French, actually. Oh, actually, no, it has a few submarines here that I could make use of, potentially. 1, 2, 3, we'll go there. And French battleships will just stay there. And I think that'll cut it for the French. So, placing, we'll put this fortification here in Paris. And the militia will go here. Alsace-Lorraine. This fortification does go all the way around Paris. I'll put it all the way around once I complete the video and can mess around with the save a little bit. And I think that's it. Oh, it collects its money. which is 8. The French will end with 8, and I think that's it for the UK and the French. We'll go ahead and see what Italy has for their turn 3. Thanks.